What's something people don't know about passive income? Many people think it's a complex and unattainable goal, reserved only for the wealthy or those with a lot of free time. But the truth is, passive income is accessible to anyone willing to put in a bit of effort up front. It's not just for the rich and famous. Anyone can start, whether you're a student, a working professional, or even someone looking to retire early. There are opportunities out there for everyone. First up, let's talk about one of the most traditional and reliable forms of passive income, real estate. Buying a house or apartment and renting it out can provide a steady cash flow each month. This method has been tried and tested over the years and remains a popular choice for many investors. Just make sure to choose a good location and screen your tenants. Location is key in real estate. A property in a desirable area will attract more tenants and can command higher rent. Additionally, thorough tenant screening can help ensure you have reliable renters who will take care of your property. Next, we have another popular option, investing in dividend-paying stocks. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you can earn a share of the profits regularly. This means that as long as you hold on to these stocks, you'll receive periodic payments, often quarterly, just for being a shareholder. Think of it as getting paid just for owning a piece of the company. It's a fantastic way to build wealth over time, especially if you reinvest those dividends to buy more shares. Finally, there's the world of digital products. This is a broad category that includes a variety of creative endeavors. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even stock photos. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, they can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort on your part. Once you make it, you can sell it over and over again without any extra work. This means that your initial investment of time and effort can continue to pay off for years to come. There you have it. These are just 3 of the many ways you can start generating passive income. 3 solid ways to make passive income: rental properties, dividend stocks, and digital products. Each of these methods has its own set of advantages and can be tailored to fit your personal interests and financial goals. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow while you sleep. Happy earning. Remember, the key to success with passive income is persistence and patience. Over time, your efforts will compound, leading to significant financial rewards. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into each of these methods. Starting with real estate, it's important to understand the different types of properties you can invest in. Residential properties like single-family homes and apartments are common choices, but don't overlook commercial properties, which can also be lucrative. Commercial properties such as office buildings and retail spaces often come with longer lease terms and higher rental income. However, they may also require more upfront capital and management. If direct property ownership seems daunting, consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties. They pay dividends and can be a great way to diversify your portfolio. Moving on to dividend stocks, it's crucial to research and choose companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. Look for companies with consistent earnings and a history of increasing their dividend payouts. Dividend aristocrats, which are companies that have increased their dividends for 25 consecutive years or more, are often considered safe bets. These companies have proven their ability to generate steady income for shareholders. When it comes to digital products, the possibilities are endless. You can create and sell ebooks, online courses, stock photos, music, software, and more. The key is to identify a niche market and create high-quality content that meets the needs of that audience. Marketing your digital products effectively is crucial. Utilize social media, email marketing, and online advertising to reach your target audience. Building a strong online presence can significantly boost your sales. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort. It's important to regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Consulting with a financial advisor can also provide valuable insights and help you stay on track. The ultimate goal of passive income is to create financial freedom, allowing you to enjoy more of life's moments without constantly worrying about money. Whether it's spending more time with family, traveling, or pursuing hobbies, passive income can help you achieve your dreams. Celebrate your milestones along the way and stay motivated. Each step you take brings you closer to financial independence. Keep learning, stay persistent, and enjoy the journey to building a sustainable passive income. So there you have it, 3 solid ways to make passive income: rental properties, dividend stocks, and digital products. Each method offers unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your personal interests and financial goals. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow while you sleep. Happy earning!